Imagine a world where convenience and efficiency are not just buzzwords, but a reality. Welcome to DOERBASE. This unique platform connects skilled individuals to tasks, bridging gaps and facilitating collaborations. It's a space where your abilities can shine, whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist with a knack for fixing things. DOERBASE is not just a platform, it's a revolution, changing the way we approach everyday tasks and professional projects. From everyday chores to complex projects, DOERBASE has it all. Imagine a world where you can tap into a pool of skilled individuals for any task, big or small. That's DOERBASE for you. Whether you need someone to clean your house, assemble a piece of furniture, or help you with your shopping, there's a doer ready to lend a hand. Perhaps you're planning a move and need a reliable team to help you transition smoothly. Or maybe you're in need of a handyman to fix that leaky faucet or install a new light fixture. No task is too mundane or too complex for the doers on DOERBASE. These are just a few examples of the wide range of tasks available on the platform. It's a marketplace bustling with opportunities, connecting people in need with those who have the skills to help. No matter the task, DOERBASE connects you with the right people to get it done. Who are these doers, you ask? Let's dive in. Picture this: a vibrant community of skilled individuals, each with their own unique talents, ready to lend a hand and get the job done. These are our doers, the independent contractors who are the lifeblood of DOERBASE. They are people just like you and me, but with a twist. They have a special skill, a knack for something, and they're willing to use that to help others. From the carpenter who crafts beautiful furniture, to the tech wizard who can troubleshoot your computer, to the gardener who can transform your backyard into a paradise. The doers are as diverse as their skills. DOERBASE is more than just a platform. It's a space that empowers these skilled individuals, giving them a place to offer their services and receive fair compensation for their work. Doers are the backbone of DOERBASE, driving the platform forward with their skills and dedication. At DOERBASE, financial transactions are as simple as they get. You see, we believe in direct and transparent dealings. When a task is completed, the payment from the customer goes directly to the doer. It's a straight line, no detours. We don't interfere. We don't hold your funds. It's all between you and the person you're doing business with. Of course, we're here to ensure the process is smooth and secure. But the beauty of DOERBASE is this: we're a platform that facilitates connection, not a middleman in your transactions. So whether you're paying for a service or receiving your hard-earned money, it's a straightforward, no-fuss process. With DOERBASE, your financial transactions are always under your control. DOERBASE is not just about individual gain, it's about community growth. One special feature we have is contribution jobs. These aren't your typical jobs, they're about making a meaningful difference in your community. Picture yourself strolling in the park with your family and coming across a pile of garbage on your street or a damaged gate to the local playground. Instead of turning a blind eye, be the catalyst for positive change. Capture an image of the issue and post your contribution job, taking the first step to create a better world for all of us. What's unique about these jobs is that they're rewarded with our internal currency. This isn't just a pat on the back, it's tangible recognition of your effort. But wait, there's more. You're not the only one who can contribute to these causes. Any user on DOERBASE can chip in and increase the rewards for these contribution jobs. So whether it's a cause you're passionate about or a job you've taken up, the community can rally around and support it. With DOERBASE, every task can contribute to a bigger cause. Are you ready to experience the benefits of DOERBASE? Your journey starts with one simple step: signing up. Imagine a platform where you can either offer your skills to tackle a wide range of tasks or find the right person to get your job done. That's DOERBASE. It's about convenience, efficiency, and community spirit. It's about breaking barriers between those who need a job done and those who have the skills to do it. It's about transforming the way we work and collaborate. So why wait? Step into this dynamic world where every task is a new opportunity. Join DOERBASE today and be part of the revolution in how we work and collaborate.